You may be interested to know that if your vehicle is equipped with the available Sync Connect feature, you may also have Wi-Fi capability. Let me explain. First, in order to use the Wi-Fi Hotspot feature, you must activate a data plan via AT&T. Once you do, to start using, from the home screen, go to Settings, swipe left and touch the Wi-Fi and Hotspot tile. Next, choose Vehicle Hotspot and be sure Wi-Fi Hotspot is turned on. From there, select Settings. Then, if you wish to set a personal password, touch Edit, Edit Password, and input your password. Then hit Done. You can choose to have your password hidden by touching the Hide Password button. Touch it again to make it viewable. To view your data usage, just touch the Data Usage tile. You'll then get a pop-up informing you to authorize your vehicle via the Ford Pass app. If you're a first-time user, it will direct you to use the Ford Pass app or go to att.com/Ford to make changes to your account or purchase data. Once authorized, you can view data plan information from this screen. To connect to a hotspot, go to Settings on your smartphone, Wi-Fi devices, then refer to the Vehicle Hotspot settings screen to find a password. Then input your password and it will automatically connect. Once you're connected with a Wi-Fi Hotspot-equipped Sync Connect and available AT&T Wi-Fi provided service, your vehicle can be turned into a convenient Wi-Fi hotspot for quick, seamless video streaming, internet radio enjoyment, web browsing, and more. Plus, it can be linked to up to 10 devices, so everyone can surf and stream content freely wherever you go. One more thing. First-time activation Wi-Fi hotspot service is complimentary for US and Canada customers for the first 3 months or 3 gigabytes of use. Additional data can be purchased through AT&T. Any questions? Go to owner.ford.com.